Howdy y'all, thinking about replacing them old drafty windows? Well, saddle up because we're about to walk you through the whole dang process, Texas style, from start to finish. You'll know exactly what to expect when you choose Texas-made windows and more. Let's get rolling. First things first, partner, we'll come out and give you a free, no-pressure consultation. We'll measure your windows, talk about options like energy-efficient glass with argon gas, and give you a free estimate that's as clear as a sunny Texas day. Next, we'll order your custom windows. Each one's made just for your home. No cookie-cutter nonsense here, y'all. Quality takes a little time, but it's worth the wait. When install day rolls around, our team will show up right on time, boots on the ground, and ready to work. First, we'll carefully remove your old windows, clean up the area, and then install your shiny new energy-efficient windows with precision. Don't worry, we leave your home cleaner than we found it. No mess, no fuss. And before we hit the trail, we'll do a walk around with you to make sure everything's perfect. You'll get to see your new windows in action, and we'll answer any questions quicker than a jackrabbit. That's all there is to it, folks. New windows, more comfort, and lower energy bills. It's a win-win, so if you're ready to transform your home, give us a holler. At Texas Made Windows and More, we treat you like family, 'cause that's the Texan way.